Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you Samsung Galaxy A34 Smart View Wallet Case. The case is made of polycarbonate material, pleasant to the touch. All cutouts and volume buttons are perfect. It is an active cover. When the cover is open, the screen is activated. We first insert the phone into the upper part of the cover, and then the lower part, and gently press the phone into the cover. Inside the case you have a slot for cards or documents. The strong point of this case is the display window. You can answer calls, display notifications, or pause music, even when the cover is closed. The weak point of this cover is that the flip moves in all directions. I don't like it at all. The cover fits well in the hand. Offers good protection for the phone, has high utility, make calls, check messages, battery life. Miss calls, play music through the cover. Overall, it is a good cover. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.